If you live in the UK and have ever dreamt of managing your investments with a cuppa in hand, you might have come across Wealthsimple. Their sleek app and commission-free trading sound perfect for the busy Brit, but hold on a sec. Can you actually use Wealthsimple in the UK? Let's unpack the situation with a spot of financial tea and see if Wealthsimple is the crumpet to your investment jam. Wealthsimple, rising star, brief encounter. Wealthsimple started as a Canadian robo-advisor, meaning it uses algorithms to build and manage investment portfolios based on your goals and risk tolerance. Seemed like a perfect fit for the digital age, and guess what? It was. Soon, Wealthsimple expanded to the US and, in 2017, set its sights on the UK. Now, for a few years, UK residents enjoyed commission-free stock and ETF trading on Wealthsimple. It looked like a beautiful marriage, easy-to-use platform, low fees, what's not to love? So, what happened? Fast forward to 2021, and Wealthsimple makes a surprising announcement: they're exiting the UK market. Teacups were shattered, biscuits crumbled. While the reasons were never explicitly stated, some experts believe the UK market proved too competitive for Wealthsimple to establish a strong foothold. Farewell Wealthsimple, hello Money Farm. But fear not, fellow investors. Wealthsimple didn't leave its UK customers high and dry. They partnered with Money Farm, another robo-advisor, to smoothly transition all existing accounts. This meant a new platform, potentially new fees, and maybe a bit of a learning curve. The bottom line, Wealthsimple is a no-go in the UK, for now. As of today, May 2024, Wealthsimple isn't accepting new accounts from UK residents. So, if you're just starting your investment journey, you'll have to look elsewhere. But wait, there's more. UK investment alternatives. The good news? The UK has a thriving investment scene with plenty of options. Here are a few popular robo-advisors to consider. Nutmeg, a well-established player with a range of investment plans, including socially responsible options. Money Farm, now the home of many ex-Wealthsimple UK accounts, Money Farm offers personalized investment strategies with low fees. Stash, aimed at younger investors, Stash allows fractional share investing, making it easier to get started with smaller amounts. Remember, do your research before choosing a platform. Consider factors like fees, investment options, minimum investment amounts, and ease of use. The final sip. While Wealthsimple might not be brewing a pot of investment opportunities for UK residents anymore, there are plenty of other alternatives waiting to be explored. So, grab a fresh cuppa, delve into the research, and find the perfect platform to help your wealth flourish. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.